Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing my July premium Boxycharm with Anastasia Beverly Hills. So everything in my Boxycharm is Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm basically just going to be going over everything in here and unboxing it for you guys and showing you what I received in this box. If you're interested, just keep watching. But before we start the video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss an upload. And let's start this Boxycharm unboxing video. So I have been subscribed to Boxycharm, the base box, for several months now, and I love Boxycharm. I've had it before in the past for over a year. I really like Boxycharm, and this is my first time I actually upgraded to the premium box. So basically, I was on Facebook and I seen an ad that the premium box was going to be all Anastasia Beverly Hills products, and I love their products. So I decided, why not go ahead and upgrade to the premium box because I never have done it. So basically, the base box is around $20, I think, a month. And then if you want to upgrade to the premium, it is around $35 a month for the premium. So you basically have to pay the base box price plus the premium box price, and you receive both boxes. So I received this premium box and the base box. So I am just gonna hop into this and start unboxing this. So this is what it looks like. The box says Boxycharm times Anastasia Beverly Hills Premium. So every Boxycharm does come with a little piece of paper that tells you every product you got in it with the price of the product, and also it does have a 50% off coupon down here for AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com. So I definitely need to use that now. But the first thing that caught my eye is I did get this palette right here. This is the Nirvana Palette Volume 3 Nirvana Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3, and I do actually have, I think, the Volume 2 one, the blue one, I'm not sure. But so I was super excited to see this because I don't have this palette. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys. This is actually a pretty big palette and it does retail for $60. So right there in this one product, I got my money's worth because I only paid $35 for this box. And this is what it looks like. It's very colorful and bold colors, which if you know me and you've been a subscriber of mine for a long time, I like bold and colorful eyeshadows. So I am super excited to use this palette. It is very, very pretty. So that is the first thing. Next, I did get these Anastasia Beverly Hills eyelashes, and they are pretty bold eyelashes, I think, personally. It says they are around $12 normally. So that's cool. I've never tried Anastasia eyelashes before. Next, I do have this loose highlight right here, and it is in the shade Vegas. It does say that this highlighter retails for $25. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that up to show you guys. Actually, I've never had a loose highlight by Anastasia. I've had glow kits, but not a loose highlighter. I'm struggling trying to open this. I am horrible at opening the boxes. I don't want to rip it. This is what it looks like. It's a very pretty, like, golden champagne highlighter. It's super pretty. And it is in the shade Vegas. I really love the like lid of it. It's super glittery and pretty. The next thing is this Dewy Set Spray by Anastasia, and actually I already have this and I was almost out. So I've been using one of these for probably like a year and I actually am almost out. So I was thinking in my head the other day, I really need to buy another one, and I actually got sent one in my Boxycharm, so I'm super excited for this. Now I don't have to buy it. It does retail for, let me get the paper out, $26. Go ahead and open it in case you guys have never seen one of these before, but I really like it. It is a dewy setting spray, and you guys can definitely tell why. It's really sparkly and it definitely is dewy. I love the way it makes my foundation and everything look when I set my face with it. I am super excited that I did receive this because now I don't have to go buy one. Okay, next is this Hydrating Oil, and I've actually never used this. I don't even really remember seeing this and knowing that they had this product, but it is a facial oil, and hydrating facial oil right here, and it is $45, so that's a really good deal. This is a complexion boosting facial oil, leaves you with glowing radiant skin, softens fine lines, and improves tone and texture. So I'm excited to start using this and see if it does all those things it says it's going to do. And the last product is this Anastasia Tinted Brow Gel, and I think I've actually had this before in a mini version I bought. This is $22. I think I've actually had this. It is in the shade Chocolate. They sent me. My eyebrows are pretty dark brown. Again, I'm horrible at opening things. Here is what it looks like. And I actually have had this, I think, in a mini version, and I really did like it for my eyebrows. When I am not putting much makeup on and doing kind of a natural makeup, I do tend to kind of just grab a brow gel and do my eyebrows like that and not really go into the full eyebrow routine. That is everything I received in my July premium Boxycharm with Anastasia. I'm really super happy with everything. I love everything and I can't wait to start using it. Some of the products I've used and loved, and some of them are new to me that I get to try out, so I'm super excited. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.